Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for joining me today. I just actually completed an oil change on my 2017 RAV, and while I got it up, I don't think I really need to do it on the ramps, but it gives me a little bit more room, and I've got a fog light bulb out, and so I had purchased some new bulbs, and I just keep forgetting to do it, so it's an opportune time to go ahead and do this and show people how you change fog light bulbs on a 4th gen RAV4. So I do have some new Auxito LED bulbs to put into them, so they shouldn't burn out, and they will match more closely the color of the LED bulbs that I have in the headlights. So with that being said, let me get under and I'll show you how simple this is to do. Here are the bulbs. They are H11s. Look to be a very nice quality. I've used Auxito bulbs in the past and have had very good luck with them. So I don't expect anything to be much different with these. So let me get the panel off and I'll show you how to gain access to swap them out. Under the left and right front corners, there's a little panel right here. There's one bolt. I've loosened it already. So I'll go ahead and finish popping that out. And that is all you really need to gain access. There are some bolts back here on this bar, but you don't need to mess with this. And then you push that in and then just push it, and there's actually a little, on this side anyway, you can see the tank for the windshield washer fluid, and just push it up behind there and it'll be golden. So now if we go inside here, there's the back of the light right there, right in the middle of it. So you can see the, see if I can get this to focus better. There we go. You can see the wire hanging just down below it in the frame. So I'm just going to disconnect that and pop the bulb out, and we'll do the reverse of the putting it in. I'm not going to really be able to show you much because I'm just getting my hand in there, but I'll show you as I go along. So there's the connector. I don't know if I can get my hand in and show you. Oh, maybe I can. So there's the, it's having a hard time focusing, but here's the little thing. I just pushed on it. It was on the back side pointing to the back of the car, and it was easy. I pushed on it and pulled right off. So the bulb takes a, so it's sitting in there like this with this pointing down, and then a quarter turn counterclockwise. Make sure, yes, it was counterclockwise and it came out. So you can see the filament's broken right there. Hence the reason it didn't work. So let's get the new LED and we'll pop it in. So here is the LED bulb out of the box. That popped right in. You can see there's the bottom of the bulb right there. And now I'll just take this. The clip goes towards the back. There we go. It is that simple. There, guys. And now you can see it reattached. So there's one side. Let's turn it on and just check. And look at that. We have success. Yes, much whiter. So if you come over here where it still uses the LED bulb, you can see how much more yellow it is versus the halogen. So this is the halogen one right here, a little more yellow. And here is the LED, a lot more white. You can see how it matches the, this one right here matches the headlight right here. So, very good. We'll do the other one real quick and we'll be done. There it is with the 10 millimeter. I just reattached that real quick and it is all set to go. Onto the driver's side, so we'll do the same thing. Take off this one. Some of you might be surprised that I'm not using my electric one. Yeah, I forgot it and left it at my daughter's house yesterday, so luckily it's just one 10 millimeter. So I'll push this in. I don't know what's behind this one. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's part of the air filter assembly. So let me take a look up under here. Oh yeah, it's even got more room behind it. So there we go. It's disconnected. Then we'll just do a quarter turn on this bugger. There we go. Do the quarter turn, then just work it out. And there it is. This one's still attached, but I'm never going to use it again. So let's go ahead and get our LED one. I see that burger. Maybe it's easier with this hand. Oh yeah, I can actually see it there. My hand's not in my way. There we go. There we go. Oh, I see. I was off just a little bit. It's not quite a full quarter turn. Like 2/3 of a quarter. There we go. So now that is clicked in, and I'll take my connector. Make sure that there we go. Until you hear the click. So there is the connector right there. So all back together. Easy peasy. Let's put the bolt in and we will be done. I'll take my flashlight out. There we go. Pull this piece down. We'll put the one bolt in. And look at that. So we have two matching fog lights now. Love it. Love it. Set to roll. So we got an oil change and we got new fog light bulbs. Sweet. So guys, any questions on this? Please holler at me. So I appreciate you coming along for that. I hope it helps anybody that needs to change out the bulbs. And hit the like, subscribe, share, comment, do all that stuff, the bell. And until next time, guys, I'll see you down the road.